Hello, my name is Wyman. I'm from the Alumni Relations and Merchandise team.
My name is Andy, Assistant Manager from Risk and Compliance.
Hi, I'm Ching Ching, and I work in the Department of Pediatrics Laboratories. When I first heard about the program, I was also a bit apprehensive. But at the same time, I would like to upgrade myself and to know how I can improve myself further. And when I was asked to take up this leadership, I was also a bit fearful. But I think overall, it gives me more value than I expected it to be. Yeah, and definitely very helpful to know that I can also help another person to uplift their service in this way. Yeah.
After attending this course, I realized service is not always about working with students or patients. Whatever you do with your colleagues or your superiors, people from other departments, as long as you create values for them, it's actually an act of service. Being service-oriented means putting more thoughts into how to do things, because we tend to focus more on SOPs, on processes. So for example, SOPs like our handphone, that's the hardware, and service is the software. We always need to keep updating our software. Same like our service, we need to always improve our service.
I think being service-oriented is very important when dealing with the stakeholders, be it internal or external. So for external stakeholders, I deal with the general alumni. In terms of internal stakeholders, we deal with all the departments who wish to purchase merchandise. So when you have your stakeholders in mind, you're able to really add value and to provide the best service possible which your stakeholders want. I think having been a workshop leader to some of the teams who've gone through the SIP project, I've really seen how the team members have changed their perspective about service and how they can add value, and it really heartens me. So I feel like I am creating a positive impact.
After going through this course, I have a better understanding about my role and the roles of other people. On a smaller scale, I get to know more colleagues, how the faculty works, and appreciate the work that they do. On a bigger scale, I can play my part in making a difference that matters in the faculty. As a junior staff, being a workshop leader, it may be intimidating to coach group members who are older or more senior. But during this course, we are given guidance and provided with tools on how to complete this journey successfully.
I would really encourage you to go in with an open mind and just to remember that the service you provide to your stakeholders is very important. You are making a difference. And therefore, when you go through this journey, you will realize how important it is to add value in whatever you do.
Coming to be a workshop leader, I would say that you come with an open mind, learn everything, and internalize it and put into practice. I mean, this course definitely is time-consuming. It takes up a lot of your time away from your actual work. But however, I felt that actually it gives you much more than you expected it. It teaches you how to be so much more valuable to the customer that you need, the service that you are going to provide. And at the same time, you can come back and teach and nurture the people in your own department of how to provide this service for others.